All right, guys, let me explain the differences between my free script as well as my paid script, right? So the main thing here are the additions, right? So you see one thing, uh, these arrows on the free scripts, buy and sell, but then on the paid scripts, you will see both my support and resistance line. My support line will be green like this, and then my resistance line will be red, right? So the first thing that you want to do on the paid scripts is to ensure that you are buying or selling on the support or resistance line. That's just the fundamentals of any type of trading, whether it's Forex, stocks, or binary options. So in this case, we have the supports on the free one. We don't have the support and resistance level. However, if you can see on this particular trade, both the guy who has the free scripts and the paid, and the one who has the paid scripts, they both would have won the trade. But who will enjoy the trade better than the other one? The guy who has the paid scripts will enjoy the trade. Here's why. Remember, I told you that on the free scripts, if you're trading the free scripts, you need to look at two things. So you need to get the signal. You can take the signal as is and give it a longer period of the expiry time, or you can add the ADX just like I have here. You can add the ADX and then you enter when the ADX gets below this level here. So right now it got below this level right about here. So on this candle here, it gave you a signal. So you can enter here or just enter here on the buy signal and then just give it enough time without the ADX, without a hassle. However, you would last longer on the trade, right? There'll be a period where you actually feel like you are losing the trade. On this side is the only the main difference on this side is this up signal here. So this up or down, if we are selling, it's going to be your entry point. So on the paid scripts, you know exactly when to enter. It does all this for you, all the analyzing. So you'll see on the video where I trade my free scripts, I use my ADX, and then on the other one I use ADX and CCI to actually time the buy signal even better. Well, on the paid scripts, you don't really need the ADX. You don't do anything. It will give you this up signal, which is your entry level here. So the only thing you need to confirm here to get an even better trade, because sometimes it does give you this buy signal, but you are not really on the support line. Well, in this case, I've confirmed that because I already have my support line here. And here, I'm not sure where I am. I'm on the support or not because there are no support and resistance level. So that's the difference. And then secondly, I don't enter immediately. I just wait for my entry signal and I know exactly when to enter. So there'll be time where this trade is losing if you entered as soon as you got this, but then on the paid script, you won't enter here because the way the market works is basically it just runs on a particular direction, then it moves sideways to rest a bit before it moves on the opposite direction. You just don't get a run down and then immediately after that, another run to the upside. No, that's not how the market works. So it will be consolidating, and during this consolidation period, you get an entry point when it's ready to start going up. And it's the ADX that tells me when it will start going up. And but then on this side, I've already coded that in here. So you don't need to analyze anything by yourself. You wait for just three things. You need to get the buy zone signal, which is these dots here, buy or sell. It's going to be BZ or BZ, which will be buy zone, and then SZ for sell zone. And then just confirm that you're getting the SZ or BZ around the resistance or support level. And then lastly, just wait for the entry signal. As soon as you get this, just enter the trade, and that's it. That's it. Here, you don't do much. You just take the signal as is, and then just increase your trading time. So that's really the fundamental differences between the two. But however, if you buy the paid scripts, I also trade this and train you on how to go about using it to improve everything in terms of accuracy and the win rate. So yeah, that's basically the differences between the two. Um, yeah, but if you want the paid scripts, hit me up. If you want the free scripts, just download it in my Telegram group. I'll leave a link below. Just go to my group and then just go to the file section, and you will see the free scripts, and then just download it and add it to your IQ option platform. So yes, that's it from me, Bond Trader. I'll see you on the next video.